This is your attendance sheet, right? So in this attendance sheet, here you have to write your name. For example, okay, I'm taking Prachi's name. What is the name of spelling, Prachi?
BAGDE. GDE.
Yes. Here you should write your name here also, okay? And here also. Now, if on the first day you are not able to do anything, you can simply write like task 1. How much? 0%. If you are not able to start anything, okay? And on next day, if you started little bit like 5% of it, task 1, 5%. Okay, like that, whatever you feel like how much percentage I have completed, you can write it over there. Okay. And here what you have to do, you have to write task 1. Okay. And if here, started. Whatever you want, you can write it as subtask. Okay. Started learning about Power BI, anything. And if it is complete, you can write like complete. Okay.
Okay, got it. And when are we supposed to share this? Are we supposed to share it on a daily basis or
No, only on weekly basis. After completion of your first task. Okay. Like this up to 1 week you will do task 1. Sorry. Control C. Control V. Right.
Yeah.
Like this up to 1 week you will be doing the task, for example. Okay. And here you have to write something. Okay, 5% is done. Okay. Like you can write made pie chart of sheet 1. Something like that you can write. Okay. And if it is not not made, if you're writing like pie chart of sheet 1, if it is incomplete, for example, if it is incomplete, you write like incomplete. There is not an issue. Okay.
Okay.
It's it's not mandatory that you should complete each and everything. Sometimes it happens that you are not able to complete things. That's a normal.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can write incomplete also. If this particular task is not done, okay, you can write like incomplete. Okay. And for example, everything is written over here for all those 7 days. Okay. Then working days are 6 only, right?
Yeah.
And if you were not absent any day, you can mark it as 0 itself. And number of working days will be 6 into 4, 24. Since you were not absent any day, that means 24 itself, right?
Yeah.
Now here actually percentage should be calculated like 11 divided by J11. It should come actually.
Ma'am, it's the duration of 2 months.
Total effort 100%, right?
Yeah.
Just put multiplied by 100 also. Okay. If somehow you were absent 1 day, okay, write 5 over here and write 1 over here. Then total working hour is always constant, that is 24. And since you were absent 1 day, that's why only 20. 5 into 4, 20. Okay. Now automatically here it should come like. Wait a second. Yeah, there is a calculation mistake. Actually, it should be J11 by I11. Now things will be okay. Right, like this.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
Okay, if you're, yeah, it is okay.
Ma'am, I think in working hours we have to mention how many
Yeah.
hours we work in that week.
Yeah, that I'm also confused. So, if since
In total
have,
hours,
yeah, yeah,
25.
yes, correct. Okay, so here you can write like 20, and here, okay, 24. Now it is okay, right? So working hour is actually the number of working hours you are working. This is constant total hour. Yeah, my mistake. I understand. Okay, so this is the thing. Is it clear how to fill it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and in that, in the chart which I told you that the data is repeated again and again, is there any possibility where I can delete it from the chart itself directly instead of cleaning the data from the Excel sheet?
Possibility like you can replace it. If the same thing is appearing again and again, you can find and replace it, right?
Okay.
That is
But
the
I
most
just can't
simplest
delete it
thing
from
you
the
can
chat.
do. Yes. Yes, what you were saying?
I just can't delete it from the chart.
Deleting like,
Like, can I share my screen, ma'am?
yes. Sorry. Yes, you can share this.
It's saying host disabled participant screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, now I got it.
Okay. So shall I wind
So,
up the session?
yeah, 1 second, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, so for example, in this, like the AP is repeating again. So can I just delete it? Like
AP
Andhra
means
Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Okay. You
Can I
can
just
club
delete
it,
it from
right?
here?
If possible, you can club it.
Okay, how do I do that?
Where is your Excel sheet?
Okay.
Excel sheet itself you can claim, right? Instead
Okay,
of
ma'am,
AP
fine, I'll
and
do
AP, you can put Andhra Pradesh. Or you simply put
that.
Andhra Pradesh only.
Ma'am, we can do
Okay.
it from Power BI itself also, na? Like in the query.
Yeah, that's also can be done. But since you are beginners, you can simply clean it in Excel itself.
Okay, ma'am. So I can just delete AP, right?
No need to delete. You can replace it. It is a value. It's not a null
Okay.
thing.
Fine.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to daily write the status on Excel.
Yes, you have to daily write whatever things you have done in Excel sheet, and finally after 1 week you have to submit it. Okay.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
ma'am, can we write only on one day because it's very easy task and we complete in a 1 day?
If you are able to complete it in 1 day, then no issues. You can do next task. Okay. This
Maybe
is
your last that I asked is how to convert in PBX file.
PDF
Can
file,
you tell?
PBX file, right? Okay.
PBI.
PBIX file, it is very simple. You will save it in PBIX format only. Go to file, okay. Then save it. It will be saved in PBIX format only. You can write it like sample, anything, any name you want, task 1, task 2, anything like that. I am writing sample only. Sample 1, save. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, so the chart I just
to
showed you now,
export, yeah,
ma'am, so the chart that I just showed you now, is that enough? Like, I'll clean the data again and I'll make one more. But if the
yeah,
chart
you
is like that,
please
is that enough for me
clean
to
it
submit it?
once again. You please clean it
Okay.
once again and
Okay.
do it. It's very simple. Like within some hours, you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brother, just replace the AP with on the base like that. It
Yes,
will be
yes.
automatically clubbed with the.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. See, you can
Okay.
just find and replace it, na, as we simply do in MS Office. The same way you
Okay.
can do it. No need to
Fine.
go with complex queries and all.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Ma'am, if we have done the task 1, then we can start with task 2.
sure, you can.
But
I
where
will
we
give
get
you
the
the
task 2?
task. I will give you that task, okay?
Okay.
So this is another one, I mean sample one PDF, okay? So I am now able to download both of the file, PDF file and PBX file. Is it okay, everyone? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
This is this file, sample one PBX format, and this is PDF format of it. Okay?
Then we'll open in Google Drive. Copy paste.
You have to upload it in a folder. Like yesterday I have made a folder. Yeah, here it is. This is that folder that I have made yesterday. You had to save all this whatever work you have done. Okay, both PDF and PBIX file. And after that, you just upload this folder in your drive, open that folder in your drive. You will get a link, share that link to me. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay, then guys, I'm going to close the session. I hope things are clear to you. You can explore these graphs, right?
Ma'am, what is
Yeah.
the time for next session? Because
Live
yesterday was
session.
the one.
It is live session.
No, next session.
2 o'clock. I mean 4 o'clock status call. Okay, one more thing I want to add. See, in case of map, you can do something like where it is location, you can put over there, then a map will appear. I have chosen this particular visual. Okay, now map have appeared. If you want a different location in different color, they put this in legend also. Okay. Now, according to votes, if you want to change the size of bubbles, put this votes in bubble size. Okay, accordingly, this bubble size will change, which will show you that their votes is highest. Okay, their votes is very low compared to this. Okay, so that is the thing, right? And here, instead of legend, if you are putting any other variable like cousins, cousins not, book table, if you are putting in legend, you can see a pie chart over there. Okay, this is the pie chart. Right? If you are putting some another variable like restaurant type, you can see the pie chart very clearly. Okay. So this is how you can put pie chart in map. One more thing I want to add. Like with the help of the previous data set, what it was, Indian states and districts, right? We can go with field map also with the help of this particular chart. Okay, transform. Now there are states were there, different states were there, right? In this particular sheet. So if I'm putting, if I'm taking the field map, okay. Earlier one was just map. I'm putting this in location as well as this thing I am putting in legend. So different state will appear in different colors. Legend will help for that. Okay. So that is the thing. Filled map, it will be entirely filled in that particular map. In case of simple map, it will show you with different dots only. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I'm going to wind up the session. Right. Tomorrow we will discuss about tables, matrices, cards, and rest of the things. Filter, slicer, those things will come. Okay. Okay, then bye all. Have a nice day all. Let us meet
Thank you,
at 4
ma'am.
o'clock. Welcome. Let us meet at 4 o'clock.